Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make videos on TikTok for beginners. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating videos on TikTok for beginners involves a few straightforward steps, from planning your content to editing and posting it. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started with making videos on TikTok using your mobile device. Firstly, open TikTok and make sure you are signed in. Then, spend some time browsing the app to understand how other creators make their videos. You can explore the For You section and the Following section to see trending content. Learn about different features like sounds, effects, filters, and transitions. You also need to decide what kind of video you want to create. For example, dance cover, lip sync cover, comedy, or tutorial like this. To make your videos fun twisting, gather any props, outfits, or scripts you might need for your video, if you have already. Now, tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen to start creating a video. Go to the video, tap on the clips. You can choose between 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 10-minute video options. Position your phone to capture the scene. Use a tripod for stability if needed. Tap on Add Sound at the top of the screen to browse and select a sound. Use filters by tapping on the Filters button on the left side of the screen. Press and hold the Record button to start recording, then release to stop. Record in segments if you need to pause and change scenes or actions. Then tap on the check mark once you are done. Go to the editing section by tapping on this icon. Use the skisses icon, the edit, to trim the beginning or end of each clip. Now, tap on the downward arrow. Tap the text button to add text overlays. Use the effects button to apply various effects and transitions between clips if you preferred. Now go to edit again. Tap the volume to adjust the sound levels of your recorded audio and the selected music, if there's any. Now tap next. And here, you have to write a catchy option. Add relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your video. You can choose a cover image that best represents your video by going to Edit Cover. Choose whether your video is public, friends only, or private by going on this option. And once everything is done, tap Post to publish your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.